a sprinkle. Good, good. Smush it all around, right?
Right. Now we can put this.
Go ahead, go for it.
What is that? What are you putting on your pizza there, Chef?
That one is, let's look at it. How do I
Parsley.
And this one's oregano.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna put some cheeses on it. Some Parmesan.
2.
You can do 2. You gotta spread it out then. But you'll like some Parmesan. And then some mozzarella. Okay, awesome. Great.
Good.
Okay.
Well, that's a lot of mozzarella. I'll eat that one.
Nice.
No, not that. We need to.
Do what? We need a piece of parsley. Basil, right? We need fresh basil on it.
You gotta advertise. Where'd you get that basil from?
Oh my God.